Oh, hey. I figured I should at least brush my teeth before I talk to you guys. Alright, so, full disclosure, Glamador sent me out a beard kit. Okay? Beard care set for a healthy and full beard. So, I'm going to actually open it up. I just took the wrapping off of it so that I can make it easier for me when I'm filming this. But let's see what's inside. Hey yo, this is Dash. Get ready. Alright, so here is the kit, and let's go ahead and get it opened up and check out. Actually, before we do that, let's see. It says there's beard oil, there's a beard wash, beard balm, beard brush, beard scissors, styling comb, wooden comb, the perfect gift, the best way to maintain a healthy beard for all beard types. This beard kit is suitable for all beard types. Rich in vitamin E and shea butter to keep your beard healthy, natural, and soft. All right, so let's see what's in the kit. What's in the box? First thing on top, there is the beard styling comb. Okay, I've seen these before. This is one of those deals where you put it up against the side of your face and you can do like that. All right, thank goodness I have a nice outline here, and I don't really have to worry too much about that. But for some of you guys who might have smaller beards, might work for you. Ooh. There's a nice brush in here. Not that I need a brush because I'm gonna be shaving my head in a second. Beard balm. Let's open that up. Actually, before I open the beard balm, let's open up the beard wash. I see there's beard wash, there's beard oil, and beard balm. So, there's also this nice wooden comb. That's pretty cool. I don't know. Well, my beard is rather dry right now because I have to. I figured I would do this before I actually, took a shower and washed my beard and shaved my head. So, this is the beard wash. Let's open it up and. Smell it. Oh, nice neutral scent. Nothing too crazy. Alright, I'm with it. Let's open up the beard oil. Oh, it's a straight oil with a dropper. Alright. Again, nice. Nothing too crazy. I'm not mad at this. It just has a neutral scent. I like it. And actually, I want to put a drop on my hand just to see. Once I rub it in. Yep, it's just a nice neutral scent. Now I am, going to wash that out, obviously, because I'm going to go wash my beard in a second. But I wanted to open this stuff up and see. Alright, here's the beard balm. And it's just like a, wax pomade, pretty much. Yep. Beeswax, first ingredient. Again, I'm really digging the neutral scent that these have. Some people might want something a little, you know, a little more piney or fragrant. I'm okay with a neutral scent. All right, well look, I've gone ahead and opened up the box. I'm gonna get my beard washed. All right, beard wash, I like it. And then I'll come back and I will trim this up. Alright, so back, like I said, took a shower, shaved my head, and I used the beard wash and just to, you know, give an unbiased, you know, opinion, and it was great. It foamed up amazingly. So as most of you guys know who have beards, you know that you do that first wash and it gets all the contaminants and the dirt and particles out. You do that second wash, that's when it's going to get really foamy and everything like that. This, of course, did that. It was nice. Nice. I like the scent. Only thing that's a little cumbersome is it would be probably better if it was in a squeeze bottle. Then I could squeeze some in my hand. But I guess because it's a pump, you can probably say, oh, I'll use 6 or 7 pumps or whatever the case may be when you wash your beard. So you can have a measured amount. Other than that, all right. So let's try this beard oil. So I'm going to fill the dropper. Whoa. All right, squeezing it. We have the dropper is half full. So I'm just gonna put 1/2 dropper. I'm gonna rub this in. Now my beard is not 100% dry. Oh man, this oil feels and smells pretty darn good. And I'm not just saying that. It really does. I'm trying to put my finger on exactly what the scent is. Slightly sweet. Oh man. And I'm gonna put this right on my head too, because they say it's good for your skin. So I'm gonna rub it all in on my hands as well, since they're covered in the beard oil. Pick is going through my beard effortlessly. Well, because of the fact that there's oil in my beard, of course. So now, one of the things I forgot to mention before, and I said it, but I didn't show you guys. There's these set of scissors. And I was like, these teeny little scissors, what am I gonna do with these? I can't, you know, now full disclosure, you know, my fingers are a little bit big, and, you know, but they will work great to trim my mustache. So I don't have to pull out the clippers to do that. Yes, I love it. Awesome. All right. Now, one of the other things too I didn't mention because it was in the bottom of the box. There is a pretty cool, it's like a canvas bag. It looks like almost where I guess you could put all of the things in. And if you needed to travel with it, you probably could. So I've used the beard wash. I've used the beard oil. I've gone ahead and I've picked my beard out. Now I'm going to go ahead and do what I normally do with my beard. And I'm going to use I have a heated beard brush. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to go ahead and leave it up in the card there. Definitely check it out. But this brush, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and comb my beard out. Straighten it just a little bit. Now, before I usually ever add any heat to my beard, I always want to make sure that there's moisture in my beard, be it by using my own homemade beard balm or obviously this beard oil today. But the beard brush is having no issue going through my beard right now, and I like it. All right, so there we have it. I'm liking the way my beard feels. It doesn't feel, now you saw I put in a decent amount of that oil, and it doesn't feel like weighed down with the oil or anything like that. It's just got a nice natural light feeling. It's not clumped together. It is definitely very moist, and I'm digging it. I'm digging it. I'm definitely digging it. I definitely want to thank the fine folks at Glamador for sending this out for me to try. I'm honored, and I'm liking it. I'm loving it. The beard comb, this brush going through my beard right now is effortless. So the oil definitely is helping, and you know, making it go through there without a problem. And like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and get this styled up. And next up, I guess I don't really need to add any of the beard balm because of the fact that I put so much of the oil in there. It felt so good. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna rock this for the day, and I guess I will report back. So come on back and check out future videos, and give me about a week or two, and I'll talk more about me using this beard balm, this beard kit exclusively. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.